You're welcome to this training. I am Hadetuyi John. I'll be taking you on how you can run a messaging campaign using your Meta Ads Manager. So the Meta Ads Manager is an app. So let me just search for it. Meta Ads. So here is it. You can actually download this from Play Store if you don't have it. So head on to Play Store and download the Meta Ads. That's the app you need to run this messaging campaign. Now here's the settings. All right, let's assume we want to make payments. So we just go to payments and then click on add fund. So you can edit this to any amount that you want. Let's say 2,500 or 3,000 thereabouts. So most times make use of Naira payment with MasterCard. So with this payment method, you'll be able to add payments anytime with any card. Okay, but then if you're making use of debit or credit card, you're going to have issues making payment with Facebook. Then click on continue. Then if you're using your account for the first time, just go to add payments method and then click on pay you. So you'll be making use of pay you, and then you're selecting Nigeria, okay, Lagos, and then you select pay you. So that is the most effective way to go about it, and then click on next. So that is that about payment method. If you want to see your payment history, all right, this is where you see it. I've not added any payment. That's why the payment history is blank. Now to the business of the day. So if you want to check if there's any notification, you check here. Okay, that's where you check. Okay, now to the business of the day. So we want to create an advert, which is a messaging campaign. So you can either click here to create it, or you click here, let me show you, or you click this plus sign. So either ways. Now this is you need a Facebook page for you to run an advert. So here is the page we're going to be making use. Best sales deal. This is the name of the page. Now, like I said, we want to run a messages campaign. So here's message campaign. So this is where you'll be clicking. So I won't be wasting much time because of our time. So we have some page images here. We have camera rolls. We have add images. We have Instagram. We have Instagram. Okay. Now, let's assume you want to make use of a flyer for your advert. Now, you can actually pick from these add images here, and then you pick from the several images you have there if you have images already. But then if you don't have images already, let me go back. So you can just select camera roll. Can you see that? And then select from the images you have on your phone. Sorry, let me go back. You are making use of messaging, right? So camera roll. So you can see these are images we have on our phone media. So you can just select any of those images. So when you select the image, you click on next. Can you see that? So here's the next button. So this is where you click. Now, message destination. Where do you want to direct people to? We have Messenger, WhatsApp Business, Instagram. So we're actually directing people to Messenger. And like I always say, if you are running let's say an affiliate marketing program, or you are promoting an affiliate marketing offer or course, it's actually good you make use of your normal WhatsApp. So that way, there's no way you can actually connect your normal WhatsApp to your Facebook page. You can only connect your WhatsApp business to your Facebook page. So now we are directing people to Messenger. So from there, they'll be landing on our WhatsApp DM. So before the end of this training, you're going to know how to go about that. Now just select Messenger. Then for the headline, so you can edit this and put something like this. Join free training here. Over 250 people join, or join training here. In case, because this particular advert I'm running is actually my training program. Okay, my training program, which a lot of my students are promoting to. it's actually 5,000 naira for anyone who wants to start affiliate marketing. So you can actually get started with this, okay, and then be able to promote this particular training program. It's actually refers to as AMDIP, Affiliate Marketing Daily Income Program. Okay, the aim is to get at least 4 sales every day. If you are promoting this particular offer, it's actually low priced, okay, compared to promoting high ticket offer. So with this, you can be able to make at least 4 sales every day at 2,500 commission, which is 50% commission. That is 2,500 times 4, which is 10,000 naira per sales each day. Even if that is around 300,000 if I'm not mistaken. Even if you are not able to do 4 sales per day, even just 2 sales, that should give you around 150,000 naira for that month, which is still very okay compared to not getting anything at all. Okay, now, so you can just say, since we are putting the price there, so you don't want to use free training, right? So you can just use join the training here. You can start with capital letter. Put something like this, over 250 people joined or benefited. Okay, so you can just do something like this. That is that. Then for the primary text, you can just, before you start running your advert, make sure you have your ad copy, headlines, images, everything in place that you want to use. Now, even the ad primary text, you can just copy it, which is the ad copy. So you should have copied it before starting this campaign. So all you just need to just paste it here. Okay, paste it. If you have copied it, all you just need to paste it here, because most of the time there are some people, if you go out from here, if you come back, you need to start from square one. Okay, there are some cases whereby it will save and then you continue from where you stop, but you don't want to risk it, so just make sure you've copied it before landing on this page. Okay, for this training, I really don't have an hard copy in place, so but then for you should have an hard copy in place. So all you need is to just paste the hard copy here, but then I can just compose something. Okay, you can just say something like how to build or how to start affiliate marketing the right way, and then you can explain what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is a business model, or you don't repeat affiliate marketing that much. And just say this is a business model that deals with connecting buyers to seller and earning commission for doing so. And then you compose another one. So these are the body of the hard copy. Sorry, these are the body of the hard copy, and then after, you can actually put your WhatsApp link here, the one that leads people to your DM. This is your WhatsApp link, the one you actually created with postchrome.com, and you shorten with tiny URL, or you can use word.link to create your WhatsApp link. Tiny URL.com/ASDF. So it can be anything, okay, depending on yours, okay. And if you use alias, then it can be something like this, maybe train with Coach John or train with John. It can be something like this. So this is a WhatsApp link, right? Now for the call to action, you are making use of learn more. This tends to work over time. Okay, it tends to work over time compared to you using signing up or getting offer or send message. Learn more works perfectly. Okay, now special app category, so you can ignore that. Then for the message template, so you want to edit the message template. Then for the frequently asked questions, all right, we don't need this part, so just off it. Now for the greetings, so you can just say something like this: hi, welcome. Or hi, my name is John. You are welcome to this great opportunity. Click this way you are putting your WhatsApp link, right? Click the link below to send me a message, and then you put the link here. So when they read this message, they're going to click on that link to send you a message. So where they're landing is your Telegram, your Messenger. So when they land on your Messenger, this is the message they're going to see, and then they will click. When they click, they're going to land on your WhatsApp DM. Now, for those who don't click this link to land on your WhatsApp WhatsApp DM, you're going to be sending them a follow-up train with John. Hold on. So you're going to be sending them a follow-up. The follow-up is going to be like a post, just a short post, like 4 or 5 lines. Okay, but then it must be attention grabbing. Okay, a post like 4 or 5 lines, and then after that you go to insert your WhatsApp link again. Okay, for people to join or click so that they can actually land on your WhatsApp DM. That's the purpose. The purpose is getting them to your WhatsApp DM so that you can save their number and then they can save yours. Okay, so that is that about this aspect. You can see that it's here already. You can see, click the link below to send a message, HTTPS, and so on and so forth. You can see the preview of the ad. Chat or Messenger is still showing here. Let me check. No headline. We've changed the headline already. Let me see. What's the headline again? Join the training here. Over 250 people joined. Let me see. So you can see that it's appearing, and join the training here. Over 250 people joined. Learn more. You can see the hard copy too. You can see the preview of your ad. See how it looks like. Awesome. Now, what next? I think we're done with this stage. So you click on next, which is here. Now, who should see your ad? So here, let me see. So you don't have anything to do with those things up here. So where you need is this audience part. Okay, so audience part. I have one audience saved here, but then for the purpose of this training, let me just go to, let me go to create new audience. Create new audience, this one here. So let me create new audience. Audience name. So you can just name your audience. I can name it my name, John Audience, or I'm Deep Audience. So this is what we are promoting. I'm deep audience, right? Now, location. No, we are not picking Lagos, we're picking Nigeria. The whole of Nigeria, that's what we're picking. So you select Nigeria country. What is this one saying? Your audience can set to Lagos. Do you want to set to Nigeria? Set. Okay. Yeah. So it's set to Nigeria already. So you click this mark here to save. You can see that it's in Nigeria. Now, exclude location. No, we are not excluding any location. Then for the age range, you can pick within the age of 23 or 22. Let me just say 22 to 37. So 22 to 37 years. Then for gender, you are leaving it at all. So both men and women are both interested in making money and doing affiliate marketing. So you leave it at that. What is this? Okay, for detailed targeting, so you can include and exclude depending on you. Okay, so for detailed targeting, so now for detailed targeting, so here is where we want to pick our interest, and then you can actually pick interest based on a lot of things. You can pick interest based on what people interact with. Okay, you can pick interest based on what people interact with, and then you can also pick interest based on people, top influencers or authors that people follow. So you can actually choose audience based on that. You can also choose audience based on agencies. Okay, agencies that people go to study. Okay, so you can pick audience based on agency. Okay, so now let me go to let me pick an audience. Let me say digital marketing. So you can just pick this. So you can see that it's tick already, blue tick. Social media marketing. You can pick social media marketing. You can pick what's it called? You can even pick affiliate marketing. People who are interested in affiliate marketing may be interested in your offer, and then you coming up with an offer that is even low price. So you're going to get a lot of people to respond. So now you can also pick based on authors. You can see, so you can even see suggestions here: affiliate network, passive income, advertising agency, online advertising. You can pick any of these. All right, they are okay too. So it will be, if you pick one interest, it will give you a lot of suggestions. So but then we are not picking any interest in that line again. So I want to pick author. Let me see, Richard Branson. Yeah, this is an author that people follow. So I've picked that already. You can see Robert Kiyosaki. You can see Gary Vaynerchuk. These are author people follow. So I've picked Robert Kiyosaki. So now you can even pick, I don't know if you know Udemy or Coursera. Udemy. These are where you can see Udemy schools or university. These are where people go to actually learn. Or Udemy, additional interest. You can pick additional interest, Udemy. So people learn about digital skills there. So you can pick it. So those kind of people will be interested in affiliate marketing too. So I think we can actually stop here. So just click on this line here. Now you can even narrow your audience. Let me just show you this narrowing audience. Although most time I don't really use this, but then you can exclude some people. Let's say people who are interested, who uses 2G network, this kind of people. So you want to exclude them, or even 3G network. Okay, we use 3G network too. Those kind of people that will be complaining they don't have data, they don't have this. So you can exclude them. So when you are done, click on the mark as well. You can see we've excluded them. No. We actually pick and match. No, I clicked on another place. So let me remove this. Yeah, I've removed that. So I'm to click on this exclude. This exclude. So 2G network, Facebook access 2G, and then Facebook access 3G. So when you are done, click on the mark. You can see narrow audience. Now you are narrowing the audience. So I've successfully excluded these people: Facebook access 2G and Facebook access 3G. This is my interest. These are the people I targeted. Okay, what next? Advanced option. What do I have to pick there? Let me see. No, I don't need this. So I think I'm done with this stage. So all you need to do is just click on that line again. You can see my AMDIP audience is set. My AMDIP audience is set already. Okay, so this is the audience I want to use. Now we're done with this stage. So all you need to do now is to click on next. Now here is the campaign budget. This has to do with the amount of money you want to spend on a daily basis. Okay, and depending on how much you want, you are not mandated to spend a particular amount on your advert on a daily basis. Even if it is 1,000 naira you have, you can still run your advert with 1,000 naira. And if you have more than that, of course, you can go ahead. Now, for the campaign budget, so we are going with daily budget. And then, if you want to increase your budget, just click on this plus sign here. If you want to reduce it, click on this negative sign here. So I'm increasing it. This is like 2,985. That's around 3,000 naira per day. Okay, so I can go with this, or let me reduce it to 1,990. Okay, so this is around 2,000 naira per day. So let me just leave it at that. Now for the schedule, so you have to run your ads continuously. Okay, starting from now. Yes, you can leave it starting from now. You can run your ad, although you can schedule to maybe the next day. Then you pick time. So that means you'll be clicking on this start later, but then that is not actually necessary, especially if you are starting out. So just leave your ad at run ad continuously. And it doesn't mean if you, let's say that you are running an ad for this 1,990, which is around 2,000 naira, which is around 2,000 naira per day. Okay, which is around 2,000 naira per day, and then you want to run the advert for, let's say, 3 days or 4 days. Let's say 3 days. That is 6,000 naira for 3 days. Now, I have a lot of my students, some will come to me and then they will say like, oh, I want to run this advert for 3 days. Then can I just pick for 3 days and all of those? But I said, no, you don't have to do that. So you can just put your advert to run continuously. Then after the 3 days, it's either of two things. The money will finish on the advert and then the advert will off automatically. Or you pause the advert yourself, you turn it off. And then when you have money again, it's something you can just switch on the advert and then the advert will keep running after you've added the money. Okay, even if you add the money, you don't even need to switch it on. All right, the advert will start running immediately. That is if you did not turn it off in the first place. Okay, so that is basically all you need to do instead of running the advert from scratch again. I hope that is clear. So you see your ad will run continuously starting today. All right, which is very, very okay. So for this highest volume, so you just leave it for the delivery. Now we are done with this stage again. All right, we are done with this stage again. Now all you need to do now is to click on this mark here. So click on the mark here. So we successfully ran our advert. It's as simple as this. Okay, but then there are some things you need to take note if you are running your advert. Number one is your flyer. Number two is your headline. You can see them, your flyer or image. Number two is your, if you can't create a good flyer for yourself using Canva, if you can't create a good, you can just hire someone to do it for you. Pay the person. There are a lot of people who do for a very cheap amount or cheap price. Pay them, let them do a good flyer such like this for you, and then you'll be able to attract a lot of quality audience. All right, from Facebook. And then your headline must be attention grabbing. You can see over 250 people join. If there are more than that, you can pull that. Okay, and then for the primary text, which is a hard copy as well. So it must be attention grabbing as well. So it must be able to catch the attention of your prospective customers. It must be able to catch the attention. So all these three things are very important if you want your advert to convert, and then you want to get a low cost per lead or cost per messages. Okay, you don't want Facebook to be charging you high money. Then all these things must be very well and well detailed, well okay, and then must be well written. Okay, that's basically that about that. Now see our preview, ad preview. You can see this is the page, this is the hard copy, our image. Then you can see the headline. You can see that all these things are what the people will be seeing. You know, I mentioned hard copy, I mentioned image, I mentioned headlines, and then I mentioned learn more button. So you can see that immediately someone sees this kind of post, you can see sponsored post. That means a paid advert. Immediately someone sees this kind of post on Facebook, immediately the person will be what? Immediately all these things I mentioned here will catch the person's attention. Okay, when the person sees the image, wow, start affiliate marketing with 5,000 naira, the person's attention will be like, oh, so I can actually start affiliate marketing with 5,000. The person will want to know more, and then the person will click on this learn button. All right, eventually the person is going to send you a message, and then you can go ahead and detail the person on how the person can get started. Okay, so that is basically all you need to do as this is concerned. Okay, so anybody can learn from this, and then you can do it the same way you run your advert for affiliate marketing program is the same way you run for every other businesses you are doing, irrespective of you are promoting digital products or even physical product. Okay, so you can get customer for yourself on a daily basis with this. All right, so this are what we did. Now when you are done with this, all you just need is to click on place order. Just click on place order. All right, you just click on place order. So when you click on place order, you can see I already click on the placed order. Can you see your order has been received? So your ad is being reviewed to make sure it follows Facebook policy. Can you see that? So the ad is being reviewed already. You can see. Okay, so very soon on the ad will start processing, and then after processing it will enter review. Okay, so after review, Facebook algorithm or Facebook itself is going to review the ad to actually be sure if the ad passed their policy. So after it has passed the policy, they are going to approve the ad, and then you see the ad approved and active, and then your ad will start running, and then you start getting leads for your business. Okay, but then if it doesn't pass the policy, they can either reject the ad, whereby you can actually edit the ad to make sure it passes the policy, or they can either reject the ad, like I said, or restrict your ad account. Okay, but then if they restrict your ad account, that is not the end of the road. That's not the end of the way. Okay, just find out why they did that. Okay, and then come up with what solution for every problem or every challenges. There's usually a solution. I hope that is clear. All right, if you have any questions after now, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.